We are a nonprofit pediatric healthcare network with more than 60 specialty offices across Texas. We manage a large IT network connecting our hospital, medical centers, and surgery centers, and we are growing. New regulations aimed at protecting healthcare records meant adding more IT monitoring tools and compliance systems. Our network speeds and reaction times were slowing noticeably. Our patients just aren't patient. They want access to their medical records at any moment on any platform, and of course, they assume we're keeping them safe. It was taking us days to diagnose network issues. We kept adding more monitoring tools, but it only got worse. Customer complaints were stacking up, and we knew we needed an architecture update.
This customer needed better visibility and deep packet network intelligence. We suggested improving their visibility using IXIA's NTO series network packet broker and inspect their network's traffic using Riverbed's OPNET performance monitoring system. The IXIA NTO combines the traffic from multiple 10G network ports and directs it to the OPNET performance monitoring platform. Duplicate packets were filtered out, improving efficiency and performance.
The joint solution had an immediate impact. Network speeds increased, and our network troubleshooting times dropped from days to hours. We've also been able to proactively scan application anomalies before they become a problem. IXIA helped us reduce our network mean time to repair by 80%, saving us big on our IT operational expenses. Thanks, IXIA.